Do you work for a not-for-profit or a charity in Australia and you want to know how to raise funds for your cause and for your purpose? Are you a fundraiser or board member or CEO with limited fundraising experience? Then you're in the right place. I'm Fleur Allen and I've created an online course just for you. It's called the 90-Day Donor Accelerator program. It follows 6 modules of content that will be listed on the screen somewhere. First is your organisation's philanthropic language. Second is know your donors, their moves management and donor journey, campaign design, communication strategy, and stewardship, the long game. I'm a fundraising consultant, freelancing since 2024, but working for a range of organisations since 2017. I'm a certified fundraising executive, CFRE, and also a member of the Fundraising Institute of Australasia, FIA. I'm delighted to meet you. My vision is to share my knowledge about working with philanthropic donors with as many people as possible. Since I've been freelancing since 2024, I have met with an overwhelming number of people from the not-for-profit sector asking if I can share my skills and experience with them so I can help. Because there is a shortage of fundraisers, and this course is designed to fill a very specific niche, a very specific gap, and that's how to create and deliver your first annual giving campaign. It also fills the gaps if you haven't worked with individual donors or family trusts and foundations for philanthropic donors before. So what to expect? You'll explore why a donor campaign can create a reliable base of support for your organisation, how to create and engage different donor segments, such as a general donor base like grassroots style campaign, mid-value, regular givers, or major donors. I provide sample resources to highlight the differences in communication engagement across these different segments and the suggested approaches. The course includes live footage of when I delivered this course to a group of organisations that I've worked with as a consultant. And the purpose behind that is so that you can hear their different questions and hear their different perspectives to illustrate how you can adapt this content to your own situation. I reply to comments that are left either throughout the course or in an online community that's been created specifically to run parallel to this course. And I also run quarterly 3-hour online workshops where you're able to, this is after you've completed the course, you can ask specific questions about your own campaign, because I'm well aware of the limitations of an online course. I am a qualified and experienced teacher from many, many years ago, and so I understand it's important to provide different types of supports for different learning styles. My motivation to provide this course is simply to get the information and education to those that I'm not able to meet with. My availability is very limited because of what I do currently, but I also still want to help as many not-for-profits as possible. And also through an online course and a group online quarterly workshop, I'm able to provide it at super low cost for those very small charities that need support but just don't have the capacity or the funds to bring in a specialist consultant. So, over to you. I look forward to meeting you on the other side in the course and to support you to achieve whatever it is you need to achieve for your organisation and for your purpose. I'll see you there.